Please.
To what address?
It's on the northbound side of Highway 183, about a mile south of 71.
Okay, you said this is northbound on 183?
Northbound 183, south of 71, about halfway between Burleson and 71.
What's going on there?
There's a man walking right down the middle of the highway.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, I just need to verify one more time where this is. Is this before hitting 71 or is it after?
Correct. It's northbound south of 71, so before 71.
Oh, okay.
North of Burleson.
North of Burleson.
In fact, it's actually just north of, he was like right by the other intersection.
Okay, and where on the highway was he?
So it's 2-lane each direction, and he was between the left and right lane, walking down the dash stripe down between the 2 lanes.
One second.
It's near McKinney Falls Parkway.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me one more time what lane he's in? It's a little hard to hear you because I can hear like a lot of the wind. Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me better now?
Oh yeah, I can hear you now, yeah.
Okay. So he's right between the 2 lanes. There's a left lane and a right lane, and he's walking down the dash stripe between the 2 lanes. So he's directly in the middle of the northbound side of the highway.
Okay.
And,
got it.
I mean, he's going to get out of the highway or he's going to get himself killed. One of the two.
Okay, is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's black, white T-shirt with a backpack.
What color pants?
Not certain on the pants.
Okay. You said he's carrying a backpack?
White T-shirt with a backpack, that's right.
Does he have any weapons?
Not visible.
Okay. Does he appear to be under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
I didn't see him long enough to tell one way or another, but...
Okay. Does he appear to suffer from any mental health issues?
I would say yes.
Okay. And what is your name? What's your phone number? Okay. I got that information entered. We'll send somebody out there. Thank you for calling.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Can you shut it off up there? Wherever that is coming from. Shut it off and shut it off. My PA doesn't work. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of the way! Is he a veteran? I don't know. You need to stay out of the way. Put the knife down! 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 Drop the knife!
Kill me! Drop the knife! Kill me! That's what I want y'all to do to kill me.
Shots taken.
Drop the knife!
Put the knife down!
Start EMS, 1018. Knife! Put the knife down!
Start EMS. We've got a gentleman with a wound.
Sir, drop the knife.
He's on his back. Is this GSW? Henry 580. Start EMS 1018. We have OIS, officer involved. Shots taken.
All units will be here.
Officers are secure at this time. They are not harmed. Subject is down. At least one GSW. He still has the knife in his right hand.
10-4.
Hey man, I can't help you if you don't put that down. You've got to put that knife down, bro.
Sir, we need to get your medical attention. Just take the knife and slide it away. Whatever's going on, we can help you with.
Carter, put the knife down.
Entering 580 for 43. Our priority of fire is south-southeast. South-southeast. Units approach from the north going southbound and cut across. Do not come on northbound.
Come on, man. We can help you. Come on. Let it go. It's not worth it. Okay? We can fix this. Come on.
Hey. What's up?
Partner, let us help you. Drop the knife.
That's what we're gonna do.
Please.
I'm gonna go up there, I'm gonna kick it out. Tase, effective NMI, I'm gonna kick. Do not shoot. Ready? On you. Yep.
Check his pockets, make sure we don't have any other weapons.
Trauma kit.
Who's OIS? I got trauma kit here.